In 1964, Bill Swisher was owner and general manager of Oklahoma City-based Wiley Stewart Machinery, a construction equipment distributorship with roots that preceded Oklahoma's statehood. In March of that year, he began development of the ultimate highway grading machine, one that would automatically cut grade to exact specifications by referencing a preset string line. The new machine was called the autograde. Within 2 years, he had captured the U.S. market for fine grading machines and began a string of technological innovations that have literally rewritten the book on highway pavement construction and maintenance. And he had changed the name of the company to CMI, Construction Machinery Incorporated. The CMI autograde ended a search of decades by engineers and road officials for a controlled process of grade preparation. All previous methods were slow, and accuracy was dependent upon the skill of equipment operators. CMI's new process was far more productive, more efficient, and less costly than any previous method. CMI applied the process to a whole family of machines for placing concrete pavement. These machines controlled grade to within 1/8 inch tolerances, greatly improving the contractor's ability to control the thickness of the new pavement, saving the contractor and the tax-paying public literally hundreds of millions of dollars during the past 20 years. In addition, it allowed paving up to 2 miles a day. In fact, CMI automated machinery set a new record when it paved over 4 miles in a single day. CMI's early autogrades were designed primarily for the interstate and major airport construction markets of the mid-60s. The early 70s saw a decline in U.S. interstate-type construction, one brought about by impoundment of funds, addition of social and environmental considerations to the cost of road building, and the effects of the 1974 oil embargo. With this decline of domestic markets, CMI turned its efforts to international sales and found product acceptance in all parts of the world which were engaged in major highway projects, including Europe, Africa, the Mideast, Far East, and the Eastern Bloc countries. In 1975, CMI applied its automation control technology to the emerging field of pavement maintenance. The result was an automated process for correcting the millions of miles of deteriorating pavements found in the U.S., Europe, and other developed countries. The process was called automated pavement profiling and was made possible by the CMI Rotomill Pavement Profiler. The Rotomill removes pavement surfaces through the action of a precisely controlled, powerful cutting head, capable of reprofiling the full width of a traffic lane in a single pass. The surface is left clean and level, with an excellent texture for either traffic or bonding to new paving material. Rotomills are equipped with CMI's exclusive Hydramation automated control system to permit profiling to a predetermined elevation and slope. Rotomills have also had a dramatic impact on the development of pavement recycling. Attempts to recycle pavement from worn streets into new paving material had been only marginally successful prior to the Rotomill. Finally, the industry had an automated machine which took a major problem, rough riding worn pavements, and turned it into a valuable asset. Millions of tons of perfectly sized salvaged asphalt that could be reprocessed with new material and placed back on roads at tremendous savings. Rotomill profilers are ideal for a majority of the pavement restoration, rehabilitation, and reconstruction projects being designed and contracted today. CMI expects that in a few years, every asphalt paving contractor will be required to own Rotomill-type machines, and that ultimately, their numbers will exceed those of asphalt paving equipment. CMI entered the asphalt plant equipment manufacturing business in 1969 by acquiring Chattanooga Systems and Simplicity Systems, both in Chattanooga. The two firms were moved to Oklahoma City and became the nucleus for a complete line of stationary and highly portable drum mix asphalt production plants. CMI drum mix plants employed advanced material handling characteristics and innovative features which resulted in simpler, less expensive equipment with much higher productivity as compared to previous asphalt mixing plants. CMI was the first manufacturer to successfully design asphalt production plants to recycle salvaged asphalt without pollution and without limiting production of standard mixes from all new material. In 1983, CMI introduced additional improvements in asphalt production and recycling plant design. The company's new Venturi mixer offered increased heat transfer efficiencies through the use of a modified heat exchanger and new recycle burners with variable flame patterns. These burners permit releasing heat in a shorter distance, thereby reducing the emission problems associated with processing recycled material containing volatile asphalt bitumen. In 1989, CMI introduced another important first to the hot mix asphalt plant industry: a system for recovering the wasted heat, the steam and hot gases in a hot mix plant's exhaust. The new system can increase a plant's production by 30 to 40%, or create a comparable fuel savings for normal production. And at the same time, it dramatically decreases emissions into the atmosphere. In 1969, Lode King Corporation joined CMI. Lode King manufactures and markets a wide variety of high-quality trailers for the construction, mining, materials handling, and oil field hauling markets. Trailers manufactured include conventional low-bed hauling units, power-fold gooseneck units, extendable trailers, oil field hauling units, and heavy hauling units ranging from 10-ton single-axle to 300-ton multiple-axle units. In addition to the complete line of standard and custom-designed on- and off-the-road trailers, the company manufactures a complete line of bottom dump trailers for mining, material handling, and construction markets. CMI has since added Transport Trailers, a Mississippi-based manufacturer of heavy trailers. Bidwell Company of Canton, South Dakota joined CMI Corporation in 1970. As part of CMI, Bidwell has maintained and expanded its position as the industry leader in the development and manufacturing of a wide variety of specialized lightweight grading and concrete paving and finishing machines for construction markets. This equipment includes bridge deck pavers and overlay machines, elevated roadway paving machines, road and airport graders, pavers and finishers, building floor pavers and finishers, and specialized graders, pavers, and finishers for slopes and canals. During the 70s, CMI began manufacturing computer controls for its asphalt production plants and for a wide variety of material processing and weighing equipment, including ready-mixed concrete plants, truck scales, agricultural scales, and other industrial requirements. Today, CMI control systems feature high-tech, programmable microprocessor-based circuitry and are designed for easy operation without extensive data processing knowledge or training. CMI's Weighing Equipment Division manufactures a wide variety of scale and weighing systems for construction, materials processing, mining, transportation, energy production, and agricultural markets. CMI specializes in advanced high-tech electronic weighing. CMI's 25 years of contributions to paving machinery technology has been marked by two important characteristics: innovation and quality. Many times, CMI innovation has completely changed old methods of doing a given job. Occasionally, as with the rotomill and Venturi mixer recycling plants, it created an entirely new classification of work. And quality construction has resulted in the most reliable products in the industry. Innovation and quality, and CMI.